Looking to do here. I know I'm a little high, but that's okay. All right, now, right rudder and left bank. All right. I have to use more bank and I have to add some power. I have the rudder all the way to the floor right now. Okay, we're right over the center of the runway, but you see how much we're banking into the wind. If I was going to land it, I'd definitely be landing on the left wheel. I'm not going to try to land it. Okay, on and out we go. Yeah, that's really, really tough. That gives you the idea of what we're trying to do with crosswind.